Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I'm going to be doing and showing you all right here is I'm going to be unboxing a pair of sneakers. And basically this pair of sneakers I feel like is one of the most slept on, and also I didn't even put this in the title, but definitely one of the most affordable and I feel like underrated sneaker investments of 2020. I feel like there's going to be a big rise in the price of this sneaker soon. I just don't feel like there's a lot of attention to this model in particular right now, and there's actually been a lot of shoes doing well in it, and I feel like this one's kind of up next. So I want to unbox the sneaker and show you all in this video. Maybe you'll agree, maybe you'll disagree, and of course you can comment any thoughts or anything down below. I'm willing to hear that. And yeah, let's get started, and show you guys the sneaker investments. So if you want more content like this, be sure to guys subscribe below. We're on road to 32K, so I'd appreciate a sub, of course. We'll be doing more sneaker investment videos like this because you guys seem to love these. And drop a like if you also want to. If we had 250 likes, we'll definitely hit you all with another video just like this for sure in the future. Or kind of like I show it in hand and like in person too. And one more thing before I mention, before we get into unboxing the shoe, I know we got a long intro. I know, my bad. But it's actually a good thing. It's the giveaway. We got 3 days left on that. If you want to go enter that on my Instagrams down below, you can go check that out. They should have popped up on the screen. Maybe they are right now, but you guys can go check that out down below. It's for that $300 mystery box if you want to go enter that. 3 days left. You can, even if you already have entered, as I say every video, you can go enter again. It's unlimited entries, but that's pretty much all I gotta say. So I'm Tristan. Let's get into unboxing this pair of sneakers, and I feel like a really good potential sneaker investment right now. Also, if you want to, down below, you guys can sign up right now for the Addikt restock. They're just doing a quick sponsorship for this video, a little quick part. But if you want to go sign up for the restock, you guys can click the link down below. They recently restocked for the iOS spot. Sold out super fast. As you all already know, they support over 85 different retailers to be cooking on a lot of releases. Like, here's some of the success. You can see, just a little quick, a few pictures that you can see. They be having success, so shout out Addikt. And yeah, if you want to click that down below for the restock, for paying for it and all that, all the info's down there. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so my camera died, and now I gotta kind of redo a little bit of the unboxing. So here's the sneakers. You can see it is the Pine Green Jordan 1 Low. But before we get into more of the features about the sneaker, I really want to show you all some of the charts. So here's the chart for the sneaker back in March. As you can see, it was right around $77 is kind of what it was going for, around $70–80. Very cheap and affordable Jordan 1. This is not going for a lot at all, and it's a pretty cool sneaker, so I like it. And it wasn't going for a lot then. And then here's the chart now, where you can see pairs are going for $140, $150 right now, and that's kind of got me thinking this is a really good investment. And I got even more reasons to discuss here in a second. And this sneaker right here, the Jordan 1 Pine Green, I can compare it easily to kind of the Royal Toes, I'd say. Here's a chart of the Royal Toes. You can see this one's also kind of going up, and now this one's actually gone up to the Royal Toe colorway's actually gone up to $200, while this one right here in my hand is sitting around $150, $160 right now, kind of in most pairs. And some other sizes are going for even cheaper. So I'd recommend copping pairs of these right now. I'll discuss why, even more reasons why I think this is a good investment right now, kind of go over some features too. But that's kind of my back end info right there. You see the charts, it's gonna keep going up. I think Pine Green colorway, why wouldn't it? Sorry, my camera died there for a second, but we're back here on the video. So as you can see, really with the main details of the Pine Green Low, my favorite features, obviously the green and white colorway. I'm a big fan of this one. As you can see, based off the original 1.0 model instead of the 2.0 retro. I feel like that's kind of much better in my opinion for the low. So you can see kind of the look at this sneaker up close. Beautiful details about it, and you can also see these have not been worn. This is a dead stock pair. And yeah, you can see the details also on the back. This is actually embroidered on. It says Air Jordan right there, and that's actually embroidered. And then you can see kind of right there on the bottom, it's very clean, very clean. I love this sneaker. And yeah, there you go. Just to prove you got that dead stock condition, nobody won these. But yeah, you also got the 3. There you go. All that, you see all the features, and really just the green and white I feel really correlates really well on the Jordan 1 Low. For me that just really fits, and I'm not even my favorite color red, but green and white on the sneaker, I was yeah, this is one I need in the collection. Definitely one I feel a lot of outfits could go with. But aside from that, let's discuss why this is a good sneaker investment. So as you can see right now, I feel it's kind of a good time to buy pairs, because I feel these are going to go up in the coming up months, you know what I'm saying? Because these, I don't know why I was talking like a rapper there. Rappers always after every sentence repeat, you know what I'm saying? But I feel these are really going to go up in the near future, since this retro, or not retro, but this actual like release of the Pine Green Jordan 1 Low just came out. Like this just came out like this year in like February, so it's only been out for like a few months. It hasn't been out for too long. So really, I feel like in the by next year, this sneaker will be going for like 200, 250 bucks easily in this colorway. I feel like probably maybe even more, because I feel like there's a lot of Jordan 1 Lows that I kind of like sit in. They're like similar colorways to this. I feel like kind of like follow that kind of like same pattern with a lot of Jordan 1s where they like go up over the time. And you know, I just kind of see this low doing the same like a lot of Jordan 1 Lows have. And an example of a model that's very, very similar to this Jordan 1 Low that even more recently came out that's in better success would be the Jordan 1 Royal Toe. So you see this one, here's the chart for the Jordan 1 Royal Toe. As you can see, this one, the Jordan 1 Royal Toe Low, the low colorway, my bad, Jordan 1 Royal Toe Low. Obviously this is a Jordan 1 Low Pine Green, but for the chart right here for the Jordan 1 Royal Toe Low, yeah, as you can see, this sneaker is sitting at a hefty like $200 right now. It's pretty nice for the low colorway. It's gone up so much money. You can see the chart is pretty much just a steady climb. I mean, these are going for a lot of money and they're going to continue to go up. Same with pairs of Jordan 1 Royal Toe Lows. I mean, just like buy Royal Toes, anything Royal Toe. But this one too, I feel like it's also a good one to buy because like, shoot, people I feel like are sleeping. And honestly, I cop these for the personal, and I feel like by the time I've worn these for like a year and all that, you know, once they're like in, like they'll be dirty, but they won't be like destroyed. I usually keep my sneakers in pretty good condition, switch up the rotation every so often. I feel like this pair of sneakers right here is going to be going for like the price I bought it for. So I bought these for 160. So I bought them a little high. I can't even cap. I bought these for a little bit high of a price at 160. But I feel like these in the future, like I feel like these are going to be going for probably like a lot more, and maybe the used pairs will be going for like 160. So I'll probably be making my money's worth out of these. So wearing these, if I keep them good condition, like, you know, don't crease them too much, all that, I feel like I'll definitely be making some money selling these just in the future, just as like, you know, a pair to get rid of like once they're like dirtied up and I've had like got my like use out of them, you know what I mean? But we'll see. But I'll probably be keeping these for a while. So really a good sneaker investment. Look out for these ones. I feel like they're going to go up. I feel like they definitely have potential to go up to kind of like that 200, 250 range, same kind of range that the Royal Toes is at right now, and continuing to go up to. I eventually may get there, so don't sleep. And yeah, you know, the Pine Green Low, definitely, once people get on this one, notice the heat, you know, and then once it gets a little bit older, I feel like it's gonna go up. So don't sleep in this investment. I feel like it's a really good one. And this is the Pine Green Jordan 1 Low, as I probably repeated a million times in the video. So enough said, let's roll that outro. Anyways, though, if you guys did enjoy this kind of like, I guess, underrated sneaker investment video, you know, kind of I was just like showing you guys it. And yes, as I said, I was going to be wearing these, so it's going for the personal collection for me. But if you want kind of videos, more want to discuss and like show some good investments for sneakers like in hand, be sure you guys go ahead and subscribe below and also drop a like. I'd appreciate that. 250 likes, as I said, and I'll definitely do another video like this where I box it in hand and kind of like show you all. Just be like another personal sneaker for sure. Your boy's heading to college pretty soon, so that unboxing would probably be in the near future once I figure out how to get packages to my dorm and all that, you know, figure out how to like keep my clothes safe, all that, you know, probably gonna have to keep a trunk and all that, because I know people can't trust nobody, you know what I mean? That's how you stay up. Real advice right there. But yeah, you know, just keeping these, because these some sexy boys right here. I can't even cap. These 5'5". But yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say. Go and join that giveaway down below if you haven't already. You know, and during limited time, so might as well if you haven't already. And yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say. So yeah, those are on the IGs. But I'm Tristan. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.